Yeah, so it's me and my colleague Simona. We are from Technarium Hackerspace in Vilnius, Lithuania. We do some projects in some semi-industrial settings, and we are here today to share some insights from post-Soviet perspective on the open hardware. So during Soviet times, we're still young, but we remember, during Soviet times, everyone was a maker. Every father was fixing his car, family's car on a weekly basis. Every mother knew how to design and sew those jackets with ridiculously wide shoulders. And every radio, every TV set, every vacuum cleaner came out with full schematics and full maintenance documentation and everything. And of course, it was not because Soviets were somehow very for DIY. It was because quality was crap, and consumer was being expected to perform, to maintain the thing, and that's what people were doing. And I have some examples. This is a kitchen knife my friend's father smuggled out of ship factory. It is made of exhaust pipe of maritime vessel, smuggled out in a suitcase. This is a screw made out of nail from small fisherman village. Apparently they didn't have a screw, so they had to make it from a nail, but whatnot. Then this is a potato grinder my neighbor made for my parents. And this is the best potato grinder in a sense of maintenance. To wash it, you just open it and put it under the tap. That's it. It's the best thing in the sense of potato grinding I ever had. And this is a juicer to make apple juice, made of whatnot, bits and pieces from another neighbor of mine. And to make my point clear, I'm not here to praise the Soviet system. System sucked all right, but you could not obtain the stuff. And what you could obtain was crap. So my point is that once in a time, there was a modern society which had DIY and hacking and making and what you call it woven deep into the structure of society, So, and now fast forward to this open hardware movement of 21st century. Now, I have a feeling somewhat, being into it myself a lot, I have a feeling that it's somewhat very related to recreation, to hobby. And I'm asking myself, do we, as a movement, do we have power to change the world? If you compare to open source software, why open source software matters? It's because we have internet based on all open source software. And where is Linux, Apache, Firefox of open hardware? Where is my open source vacuum cleaner? Where is my open source switched mode power supply? Where is my open source variable frequency drive? And as long as we're at it, please, people, design me an electric kettle which does not start to leak after 2 weeks of use. So, and just last week I was disassembling this switched mode power supply which came from shady eBay source bought for peanuts, and of course it was like design did not make sense. It was like really like, well, what? So, and I just came with the idea, what if this thing was of open design with open schematic and with documentation about all the decisions which were made during the design process of the thing. What if we, oh no, what if we just, produce open designs and infest the dark Chinese third source markets with open source designs, so they produce us, good stuff, at least documented stuff, and stuff we know should work, because they have the capability to produce stuff. They just need design. So if instead of them stealing some ancient design from Meanwell and copy of a copy it, why don't we provide them an open source design of switch mode power supply? So, they make it, and it's a nice thing to have. And then, after that, it's this Internet of Thingies coming to us. And I would say before our houses start reporting on us and whatnot, we better make sure that it's our things, not their things. So we have to work hard now to take over the designs now before they make the designs and spread it all over our world. Thanks.